Hey, dog lovers. In this video, we're going to share with you 10 ways to make your furry friend happy. Dogs bring so much joy and love into our lives, and it's essential to make sure we're returning the favor. So let's get started. Number 1. Give your dog plenty of exercise. Regular exercise can help your dog maintain good health, burn off excess energy, and reduce stress. Take your pup on daily walks or runs to keep them active and healthy. Number 2. Feed your dog a nutritious diet. A well-balanced and nutritious diet is essential for your dog's overall health and well-being. Consult with your vet to ensure you're feeding him the right food in the right portions. Number 3. Provide fresh water. Make sure your pup has access to clean and fresh water at all times. Keep their water bowl filled with fresh water throughout the day. Number 4. Give your dog plenty of love and attention. Dogs crave attention and affection from their owners. Make sure to give them plenty of love, cuddles, and attention to keep them happy. Number 5. Train your dog. Training can help your dog understand their boundaries and learn good behavior. Enroll them in a training program or work on basic obedience training at home. Number 6. Provide your dog with mental stimulation. Dogs need mental stimulation to stay happy and healthy. Provide them with puzzle toys or treat dispensing toys to keep them engaged and entertained. Number 7. Spend time with your dog. Dogs thrive on companionship, and spending quality time with them is crucial to their happiness. Take them on outings or cuddle up with them while watching a movie. Number 8. Provide a comfortable sleeping area. Dogs need a comfortable and safe place to sleep. Invest in a cozy bed and blankets to keep them warm and comfortable. Number 9. Offer plenty of playtime. Dogs love to play, and it's essential to provide them with plenty of playtime. Play fetch, tug of war, or hide and seek to keep them happy and entertained. Number 10. Reward your dog with treats. Treats are an excellent way to show your dog that you love them. Offer them healthy and tasty treats as rewards for good behavior or just to spoil them. That's it for our 10 ways to make your dog happy. We hope you found these tips helpful and will incorporate them into your dog's daily routine. Remember, a happy dog is a healthy dog. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do like, comment and share with your friends and family, and make sure to subscribe to the channel.